I just think there's something so special about providing water to our animals and insect species of this land, and all lands, especially in places where it gets extremely dry and extremely hot during the warmer months. By offering fresh flowing water, you're offering a safe space, a sanctuary for animals and insects that rely on water, like these little guys, or insect species like bees, as well as insect species that rely on water to develop, like damselflies and dragonflies. And can you imagine a better thing to come home to than seeing these guys floating around your pond?